Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Guru channel. In this video, I am going to explain 16th question. Here, 16th question is given that figure. All the given information AB is equal to AC. These two are equal sides. Angle BAC 36 given, and this is 45 given, this 40 given. Find these four angles. Okay, we need to find that four given angles. How we can find out? See, here I am going to explain. This is the 16th, what is given in the question, what we need to find out, and this is a given figure, right? Now I'm going to explain. See here, given that these are given angles. Now triangle ABC, this small triangle is there, no? In that AB is equal to AC. Two sides are equal. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. These two angles are equal. Okay. Now 36 degrees, here I am taking angle sum property. In this triangle I am taking angle sum property. Okay, angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC. Okay, so sum of three angles 180 degrees. Here already we know that ABC is equal to ACB. So instead of ACB we can substitute angle ABC. So angle ABC plus angle ABC, 2 into angle ABC plus 36 degrees. Okay, so 36 degrees, take the transpose. 2 into angle ABC is equal to 180 degrees you will get. Here I am writing this direct here. 2 into angle ABC is equal to 180 minus 36 degrees you will get. Okay, now if you do the subtraction you will get 144. 2 into angle ABC is equal to 144. Okay, now angle ABC is equal transpose of this multiplication, it will get division. So 144 by 2 is equals, if you do the cancellation you will get 72 degrees. Okay, see here I am doing that also. 2 1s are 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 72 degrees you will get. That is angle ABC. Angle ABC 72 in the sense angle ACB also 72 only, no? Why? Because both are equal. So angle ACB also 72 degrees. Now triangle ACD. ACD, this big triangle, this half of the triangle. From this angle ACD, now angle ABD plus angle ABC 180 degrees. Okay, 180 I am taking. See, angle ABD plus angle ABC, these two angles, this angle and this angle, the sum should be 180 degrees. Okay, now angle ABD is equals to, already you know angle ABC value 72 degrees. Okay, so directly I took the transpose and I wrote the 72 degrees. So angle ABD is equal to 180 minus angle ABC. Angle ABC is 172 degrees. So 180 minus 72, 108 degrees. Therefore angle ABD 108 degrees. Now take angle ABD, triangle ABD, triangle ABD, this small triangle, this side, left side triangle. In that also I am taking angle sum property. Okay, sum of three angles in a triangle 180 degrees. Now DAB we need to find out. Okay, DAB in the sense angle at here, this. Okay, DAB plus ABD. ABD already you know that value 108 degrees. You can substitute, plus angle D also given 45 degrees. See, angle D 45 degrees given. That also you need to substitute here, is equal to 180 degrees. Now we want to find this one, means angle DAB is equals to 180 minus sum of these two angles 153 degrees. Now if you do the subtraction you will get 27 degrees. Now if you want to find out this fourth condition, you should take angle ADE, sorry, triangle ADE. ADE, big triangle, this full triangle I'm taking here. In that also sum of three angles in a triangle 180 degrees. Now angle D already you know 45 degrees from the question, plus angle A plus angle E also you know 40 degrees. See here in the given figure is equal to 180. Now angle A we need to find out. So sum of these two angles 45 plus 40 85. Now angle A is equals to 180 transpose of plus 85 minus 85 degrees. If you do the subtraction, 180 minus 85 you will get 95 degrees. Okay, now angle A, but angle A is equal to angle DAB plus 36 plus angle EAC. So angle A we got it 95 degrees. You can substitute here. DAB also 27 degrees. This 36 degrees plus EAC. EAC now we need to find out. So sum of these two angles you will get 63. Take the transpose. Angle EAC is equal to 95 minus transpose of this plus 63 minus 63 you will get. Okay, EAC is equals to, if you do the subtraction then you will get 32 degrees. Therefore angle EAC is equals to 32 degrees. Very simple this question. Just you have to use the angle sum property and taking the triangles from the figure, very important. First small triangle you can consider. Next DAC, this big triangle, this half of the triangle you can consider. Next case you can consider angle D, angle ADB triangle, this triangle. And next condition you can take is full triangle. Okay, total here we are using one small triangle, next ADC triangle, 2 this full ADC, 2, next ADB only this left side triangle, that is 3. Okay, third condition. Next fourth condition, full triangle we are taking, that is fourth condition, ADE full triangle. So in this 4 we are considering, so we should get that 4 angles. See 1 2 3 4 what we need to find out. Okay, very simple. This basic you can remember, through that you can go, you will get the answers. Okay, I hope you understood. If you are watching first time of my video, please subscribe my channel, support me. Thank you.